Subcutaneous Injection for Pediatrics. Introduction. Linda is giving her daughter Rose 2 SC injections every day. This morning, Linda gave Rose her shot in the left thigh. Where should Linda give Rose her evening shot? Choose one of the following options. 1. In the left thigh again. 2. In the right thigh or another body location. Correct. Be sure to rotate the injection site every time you give your child an injection. You should never inject into the same site twice in a row. Hand washing prevents and controls the spread of germs. Select true or false. Correct. The top of a vial must be cleaned before use. Select true or false. Correct. If the vial will be used for more than one dose, it is important to clean the top of the vial before each use. When choosing an injection site, you should use a different site than the one you used for the last injection. Select true or false. Correct. It is important that you remember to use a different injection site than the one you used for the last or most recent injection. Infections are common with subcutaneous injections. Select true or false. Correct. Infections are rare. Thank you for using Explain.